On this day, imagine a world where talking across oceans was nearly impossible. That's how it was before one groundbreaking moment in space. In the mid-1960s, communication lines across continents were limited and often unreliable. But humanity dreamed of truly connecting the globe. On April 6, 1965, a new era was about to dawn, promising to shrink our world. That day, the early bird satellite, also known as Intelsat I, launched into the sky. It was the very first commercial communications satellite sent into geosynchronous orbit. Built by Hughes Aircraft, it marked a giant leap, demonstrating satellites could reliably link distant places. Early Bird instantly transformed global communication. It made transatlantic television broadcasts routine, improved telephone calls, and laid the foundation for the interconnected world we live in today. It was a true pioneer, shrinking distances and bringing people closer than ever before. What if Early Bird had never launched? Would our global village have remained disconnected, relying on slower, less efficient ways to communicate? Like, follow, and subscribe on this day for more. Like, follow, and subscribe on this day.